Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, blah, blah. I'm Jamie Bergen, and I am the studio head of 3D digital design. Yeah, I am. We have 4 instructors. We have 1 tech. We have an ASP student, which is Advanced Studio Practice. And then we have lucky number 13. So we have 13 second years who will be doing the exhibition this year with us. This will be our first 3D gallery show exhibition. And I think it's incredibly important, especially for these second years who have their entire studio experience has been in a pandemic. I'm so proud of all of them and how they've taken their mistakes and made successes. When we were talking about coming up with a theme or a title for the exhibition, it was hard. We were feeling tired, we were feeling overwhelmed, and we were kind of throwing around different words, and the word debacle got brought up. There's so many times where you've got something in your mind that you're working on, and then something happens, a mistake. I don't know how to do what I'm wanting to do, so I need to make adjustments, and that really is a debacle, right? Obviously for 3D printing, there's a lot of failures. I've done, thousands of prints that have not turned out, but I've learned so much. And sometimes people are afraid to fail, so they don't even try. Really, I just want to teach students how to kind of be brave. So the piece that I ended up including is really pulling from my experience and what I'm experiencing right now, feeling a lot of pressure of who I'm supposed to be, right? I'm supposed to be a studio head, I'm supposed to be an instructor, I'm supposed to be a mom, a daughter, a sister, a friend. So enjoy. That was a good blooper.